everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X3 M50 in black sapphire metallic with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X3 M50 in black sapphire metallic. I'm just going to hit unlock so we can get the kidney grille and the headlights to come on. And then we'll press and hold panic for 1 second on the key so we can get the pathway lighting on, so we get the full low beam system. So let's do a lap all the way around the vehicle. Black sapphire metallic. Seem to be, the last couple of videos have been all this color. It's all good. This color is awesome. And this one is sold. It's going out in about an hour. So before it makes its way out, I just wanted to capture it on video for you guys. So let's have a look at all the details. So this is black sapphire metallic. It is a highly reflective paint in the sense that it'll show everything. So the whole ceiling you can see here. And we've got some lines coming down the hood. And there's 2 lines here that come down into the rondelle. And then we've got the new kidney grille design with the horizontal slats for the M50 model, with the illuminating iconic kidney glow. And headlights are on there. We've got the M badge on the driver's side, camera up front on this side, and there's a spot here for the tow hook. You've got all the front sensors here, and down here you've got some active grille shutters, and we've got some air that can go through here. Overall, I really like the front end. I know many of you don't, but I think many of you it's starting to grow on. Now when we come and look at the headlights, these are the Shadowline LED headlights. So when they're lit up, we've got all this stuff lighting up on the side, on the front, and when the low beams are on, you've got the stacked LEDs with the low beam over here, and the cornering light is the one that's just in there. So that looks sweet. I really do like the front end of this vehicle. Now when we come to the side, you'll see here that we have the 21-inch double spoke 1037M wheels in frozen black with the dark blue M Sport brake back there. So I really like that this has 5 spoke, so there's lots of space there so you can really see that caliper pop. Yeah, I think this wheel looks good. I mean, I'm not a big fan of all these little designs on the spokes, but I like a 5-spoke wheel. And we have the M badge on the fender in the Canadian market. We have the body colored rocker panel here with the M welcome light carpet. It's kind of hard to see, but it is right there. And we have the M wing mirrors here in body color. We have black window surrounds, and the overall side profile of the vehicle looks really nice. And we've got bow on the top because the car is sold. We've got black roof rails, and we have the glass roof up top. New style antenna. And we've got the new spoiler on the top. So I like how it kind of is enclosed here. Makes it look a bit sportier that way from this view. And we have the rear 1037M wheel. Tail lights on the back. BMW lights up, all this crisscross lights up, and then we've got the stacked L and inverted L shapes. We also have the X3 badging here, M50 badging, and we've got the rondelle back here. And as you can see, diffusers down here with the quad exhaust tips, and we've got the vertical reflectors on each side here as well, which look great. And since I'm back here, I've got the key. I'm just going to kick my foot underneath the middle of the vehicle. So it takes about a full second for anything to happen. You see the lights flash. So that will open up. It looks like we have the rubber cargo liner, and I think these rear mats need to go into the floor. I'll do that in a minute. You have the cargo cover. So the cargo cover can be released, and it can be released with one hand. And there's a space for it to be stored underneath here. And once this opens up, there's more space where the carpeted mats are. There's also a space for a potential spare tire if you option it. Wheel lock key and tow hook go in a section over on that side. And this can actually be stored underneath here. Once you're done with this, you just push it forward. There's no longer any orange showing, it's locked into place. You have a 12-volt plug here, grocery bag hanger here. You have a netted area with some illumination, more illumination on this side. Another grocery bag hanger is here. There's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but you can kick your foot under to close as well as to open. So there it is, opening up and closing, all hands free. And when we come around to the passenger side of the vehicle, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door, which is connected to the central locking system. So if I press on the 9 o'clock position, the door opens. Once this opens up, it shows we're looking for 91 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, 1 click. There's a little spot here to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, 1 click to shut that. Now if we go ahead and open the rear doors, so you'll see that we have the manual sunshades. We have the Harman Kardon sound system back here. And we also have window switch, door handle. There's some ambient light in there. Pockets. Rear seating area, so these are the black Veganza seats with the Alcantara on the headrest and the upper shoulder. We've got some M tricolors here as well. Let me just undo all the seat belts. The headrest can manually be adjusted up and down. There's an armrest in the center with some cup holders here. And there's a button up top here that you can press right here. So that's the button right there that allows you to pull down the center pass-through. And up top, we've got some handles with some coat hangers and some lights. And the back of each front seat, there's an accessory port. So we've got coat hangers, tablet holders, little tables. And down here, we've got some nuts on the back of each front seat. There's some lighting with some vents down here. And on the back of the center console, we've got some vents here. There's also a little screen down here for rear climate controls, which would be heated seats in the rear as well. So since I'm in the car, let's just get some power on. Whoops. So I just turned on some power in the vehicle so you can get that lighting up. So you can see the screen down here. So heated seat for the 2 outer positions. And if you press plus or minus, you've got the temperature going on. 2 USB Type-C charging ports are here as well. And got some ambient light down here, some ambient light in there. So let's shut this door and we'll open the other door next. So once we open up this door, so inside of here you see we've got some more ambient light, we've got the Harman Kardon sound system, we've got unlock, lock, we've got the vent opener close, we've got your window switch, there's a bit of light inside of there. Better shot of that M welcome light carpet. Full power seat with lumbar, soft touch materials on the dash with some stitching going across here, some crisscross patterns here, the curved display with iDrive operating system 9. Down here there's a button we can press that allows you to open the illuminated glove box. Down here we've got some vent controls. There's your wireless charger with the vent that cools down the phone while it's charging. 2 USB Type-C charging ports, the M jewel in this jewel box. We have the glass iDrive controller. We got some stitching on here as well, which is nice. Open that up, there's a 12-volt plug in there. It's kind of dark. Since we're in here, I just want to press this backward so we can get a bit more light in the interior cabin. So while that's happening, let's shut this door and we'll open the door on the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, we have touch comfort access on the front doors here. So again, we got unlock, lock, memory 1, 2, window switches, side mirror controls, tailgate controls here, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster, and that's with the glass opening opened up. So a bit better lighting in here now. We have the new flat bottom steering wheel for 2025. There's an M at 6 o'clock. We've got the M tricolor stitching here. We have red marker at 12 o'clock. This one has the head-up display. Exterior lighting controls are on the signal stock now in the new X3. And since we're here, just quickly wanted to go through a few things. So if we look at driving settings and we go to driving, so this car has the active cruise control, so it mitigates the speed and the distance to the car in front of you. And in terms of parking, we've got automatic front park, back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. So that is all pretty sweet. And up top, we do have the interior camera here, visor, the light comes out, extends. So that is all really nice. And then what we'll do is, since we're over here already, we're gonna pull this twice down here. So it's 1, 2. So once we arrive to the front of the vehicle, we won't have to find anything. We just have to lift this up. And once it's open, you'll see that we have the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin-power turbo. This time we have 398 horsepower, 428 foot-pounds of torque. We have positive battery terminal. We have negative battery terminal. We have washer fluid over here. We have the M Performance engine cover. There's no dipstick under here, so don't spend your time looking for one. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so they just have to come down at the same time to close properly. So from about halfway, literally just center down. All right. So before we conclude the video, let's do one more lap all the way around this beautiful X3 M50. I really like the way the car drives as well. It's very smooth, very comfortable. The seats are very comfy, and power delivery is very nice. And you can really feel that 428 foot-pounds of torque on this one, which is really nice. Especially, I mean, there's a hybrid there, so let's use it. So how do you like the classic black on black spec for the new G45 X3 M50? Let me know in the comments below. Got the key. It says 1, 2, 3 right on it. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. So that is what the remote engine start, cold start sounds like. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X3 M50 in black sapphire metallic with the black Veganza Alcantara M interior. What do you guys think of the spec? I think it's pretty good. I can't go wrong black on black, really, with the black wheels and the blue calipers. So, yeah, if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.